What's up, everybody? I am so excited to share this news with you because as of today, I have officially quit my job and I am going all in on my coaching and consulting business. And I want to say thank you all so much for being my support in doing this, because as I have made the decision, my goal for this video is, my goal for this channel is to share with you all the steps that I've taken so far, but also what this journey looks like as I'm growing my own business. Now, I'm a midlife first-time entrepreneur, so I've never done any of this before. I'm 44 years old. I'm not married. I don't have kids. So the idea of quitting the financial stability of my job to go all in on myself was terrifying when I share this with you. But I'm very excited that I finally did it, because there is no better way to prove myself wrong that I can in fact make this happen than by putting in my notice and actually going all in. Because here's a couple of things that have led me to this decision, and I'll get into more detail if you all want another video on what actually happened and why I decided to quit. But long story short is I burnt myself out working, and I decided that, Holly, if you're going to invest this much time into working for someone else, what would happen if you invested that into yourself? And so I was like, you know what, you're right. So why don't we start making the steps that you need to take to get to where you want to be and then go all in. And so back in November was when I had decided that I knew my exit date, and I'm going to put in quotation marks, because I knew that I was going to put my notice in April, and I was kind enough to give 30 days after my boss had asked for 30 days, or as much time as he needed to backfill my position. And so that's what I did, is I gave 30 days, and now you are watching this and that time has passed. Now, one of the biggest struggles that I ran into was knowing that I've had one foot in, one foot out. And I'm not the type of person who just up and leaves a company or doesn't give it my all. I am someone, excuse me, who will go all in and make sure that I give the value that my team needed from me at that time. But I realized that it was time, and now this past 30 days has probably been the hardest, because here I've been working and knowing that I'm leaving in 30 days and just trying to make sure that I'm not getting too wrapped up in my head about the decision that I'm making, because it's hard. It's hard when you leave a group of people that you love working with, but it's also hard to leave that financial security behind and not to start second guessing yourself, which I didn't. Of course, there's always that fear that is lingering in the back of your head. But when I made the decision to quit, I actually knew I was going to quit. And so here I am sharing this incredible video with you. It's been a long time coming. I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, and the reason why is because I needed to take a break, and I need to focus on what was really important for me, which was getting my business up and running and being able to not burn myself furthermore in at work, but also in my business too, because that is something that I'm notorious for doing. And I just didn't want to afford to do that for myself. And so, something had to give. And until I could give 100% commitment to YouTube, that was what went on the back burner. But I am back. I am here. I am making this happen. I am ready to share all this information with you as I grow my business, and I can't wait to see the incredible things that you're going to do as well. Now, to help you along this journey, if you are someone who is looking to start your own business and you just don't know where to start, and you're looking to say like, Holly, yes, share your knowledge with me. So here you go. I have created a free workbook for you that is linked down below. Please click on the Kajabi link and you will be taken right to my opt-in page to download your free workbook. I also have a series of videos that is coming out that follows along with that workbook, that you can take the steps in and hear me talk even more about what had happened with me as I was using these steps in this workbook to get me to where I'm at right now, including at a later time how to create your exit date and what that looked like. So please feel free to download that. The other piece that I'll ask for is please subscribe and hit that notification button, because when these videos are coming out, you will have access to them right off the bat. Now, I do plan on filming and posting at least 2 videos a week. That way you have plenty of resources to get your job going. I look forward to following along with you in your journey as you take on this entrepreneurial or solopreneur, which is what I am currently, a solopreneur, and making my dreams become a reality. So I look forward to seeing what you do. I look forward to taking you along with me. And if there's any other suggestions or any other videos that you would like to see from me, please type them down below, and I'll be more than happy to share this with you. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care.